if not envy and jealousy? Tell me why the success and prosperity of the Igbos, the pepper on our body. This is an ethnic group, the whole of Nigeria, fought with the help of British, Russia, and several African countries. Over 3 million Igbos were decimated, mostly children, and their villages and cities destroyed, left, right, and center. But Chukwu Okike Abiama protected us. The eastern forest hid our fathers and mothers. Igbo deities like the crocodile of Agulu, the Igwekala of Umunoha, ancient caves and trees of our ancestors covered us. You thought we were dead, that we were finished. Our properties and monies were confiscated and only 20 pounds were given to every Igbo man that had money in the bank then. It was the most trying period in Igbo history, but we never lost hope. Anyị ekwechiri. Onye ajụrụ adịghị ajụ onwe ya. Onye ajụrụ adịghị ajụ onwe ya. Anyị ekwechiri. Where? Out of fear of survival, some of our brothers in Rivers and Delta State denied being Igbo. They erased their names and started answering strange names just to fit into the heavily polarized system, which now saw Igbos as the enemy. The Igbos did the unthinkable for trying to break away from Nigeria, so we must teach them bitter lessons of their lives. But Igbos didn't cower. We fearlessly pressed on. It was this period, tens of thousands of Igbos left Nigeria with their families. They immigrated to other countries of the world in search of a better life, because no matter how qualified they were, Nigeria would deny them opportunities. And today, that's another major block of Ndibo's blessings and prosperity in Nigeria. This is me giving a shout out to my diaspora Igbo people. Our Igbo people in other African countries, the Americas, Europe, Asia, Australia. I will make a longer video to eulogize you all. There's no single family in Igbo land today that at least one of their family members are not overseas. Thank you all for positive contributions to Igbo land. Uno did too much. Gradually, Igbos bounced back. In fact, within the space of 5 years, Igbo land was rejuvenated. Our parents toiled day and night. They distinguished themselves. They pushed for education and insisted every of their children must go to school. Those that can't go to school or higher institution went into trade and commerce. Did it pay? Ask him, did it pay? It overpaid. It overpaid to the charging of our adversaries. It overpaid. Today, the Igbos are the most educated group in Nigeria. Igbo land is the most developed region in Nigeria. I mean, all around developmental. The most beautiful village in the whole of Africa is Ebriba in Igbo land. We have over 1,000 well-built and structured villages, towns, and cities. We grew more in numbers, in prosperity, in grace. Now, to those fighting Igbos who have done nothing but loved you. Yes, we love Nigeria beyond measure. Because if we don't, we won't be buying up lands and investing everywhere we go. We buy, we develop because we believe in progress. We are not like those that only build shanties and bachas everywhere they go. When there is problem, they enter their gongoro and boom, after all, they have nothing to lose. Listen up. Igbos have sacrificed so much for the country. We have been persecuted beyond measure. We have chewed and shown you all kindness. But you, in return, have chewed and spat into our eyes to blind us. But it won't work. It won't work because we are not alone. The bird that dances fearlessly on the bush path has its drummer in the bush. Okirikiri ka a na-agba ukwu ose adịghị arị elu. Ebe bere ukwu bere, nke si ibe ya ebela, nku fiọkwa ya. Ọ bịara be m abịagbula m, ọ lawa mkpụmkpụ afụla ya n'azụ. Ọ bịara igbu m ga-egbu onwe ya n'ihi na nwata bulie nna ya elu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo, nyonyo na nyonyo ayochishie ya anya. Akacham. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.